Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to flatten your watercolor paper. I have the camera pointed down because it's more important that you see what I'm doing. You don't really need to see me. So after you've painted your watercolor, you can see it warps the paper, so it's really hard to matte as it's no longer really flat. So I have here just a dish of regular water, paper towel, and I am going to fold it, gather up some water there, and I am just going to dampen the entire backside of this painting. Then I'm going to take it and place it. I have just a sheet of plastic here. I don't like to put it directly onto the surface just in case there's any dirt on the table. I don't want to pick that up with it. And then you just want to find something heavy, whether it's books. I actually have these photo boxes that have lots of pictures in them. And you're just going to drop it right on there to flatten it out and leave it there a couple hours. Alright, and once that has been there a while, you go ahead and take off the heavy stuff that you had on it. The paper is now dry and back to a completely flattened condition, and you're ready to mat it. Okay, so here we have our mat board. I have a double mat board here and the backing, and then also a bag to put it in. I get these from goldenstateart.com. You can buy them in bulk and they have several different colors. I love these. They are fantastic, great quality. If you use, I use this Canson watercolor paper, and this shade of matte, it's their off-white color. I had gotten their regular white one time and it just kind of clashed a little bit with this paper, but their off-white matches this paper like perfectly. So if you have a painting that doesn't cover the whole area, it just looks really nice. Okay, so I also have here they call this artist tape. It kind of looks like masking tape, but it's a little different. I have two different sizes here. One's pretty thin and one a little bit thicker. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to set that aside a second. I'm going to take our now flattened painting, and I'm just going to get an idea of where I want it centered at. So I line everything up. I want to move this up and over just a little bit. Let's try that. Okay, I like that, and I'm happy with that, where that lines up. So once you have it lined up where you want it, very carefully pick the top bag off so you don't move what you just carefully placed. And I'm gonna line those two up together. I'm gonna take the thin artist tape, and I'm just gonna take a little strip and I'm just gonna go across the top here, just enough to hold that in place. See here where I have my little strip of tape. It's just enough to hold the paper in place there. All right, then I have these lined up again nicely, and then I'm going to take the thicker artist tape here, and I'm going to get a strip, definitely not longer than what you have here, maybe just a little bit shorter. And I'm going to apply that firmly right in the middle there. Press that down. And now we are just going to flip it over, kind of push that up and seal that crease there. And that is all I do. I used to seal it down some more, but I like just like this, so when the customer receives it, if they want to put it in a different mat or do their own type of framing. You know, it's very easy. All they have to do is flip this up and they can see the actual piece of work there. I have here, I wait to sign it until I have it framed, because you can see if I signed it beforehand and signed it like down here in the corner, it might cover it up. So I do wait until I have it in here. I have a Micron pen here. Go ahead and sign the bottom. And then let's take our plastic. Oh, and when you order from Golden State Art, you can order it in packages where you get the mat board, the backing, and this bag that these fit perfectly in. You can take your business card and just slide it in the back. It has a self-adhesive tab there. And your painting is all set and ready to go for any craft show or displaying, or if you sell a piece of work. Like, this is a very nice way to give it to them.